Hello everybody, welcome to you all in my lecture. Today we are going to learn about articles. Generally, a and the are known as articles. Articles are the words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. For example, after the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. After the long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. But in second sentence, by using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste after any long day. English has two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. The is definite articles and a and an are indefinite articles. A and an are used in singular countable noun. For example, should I bring a gift to the party? Here, gift is singular countable noun, so a is used. The is used before singular and plural noun when the noun is specific or particular. For example, are you going to the party this weekend? In this sentence, the definite article the limits the meaning of noun to one particular thing. I mean to say, the definite article the tells us that your friend is referring to a specific party that both of you know about. The definite article can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. Let me clear you with some more examples. A thief and the thief. As I have already told, indefinite articles a and an tell us something is non-specific. A thief means any thief, which is non-specific, who is not known to the writer or the reader. In fact, no one knows about that thief. But when we write the thief, that thief is specific thief, which is known by all. So it can be said the definite articles the refers to someone or something specific. Let's see next example. I am not a troublemaker. I am the troublemaker. In the first sentence, a troublemaker means the person is not any old troublemaker. But in the second sentence, the troublemaker means the person or troublemaker that you have all heard about. Is that clear? I hope all of you are clear about it. Okay. Now, let's see where and how to use a and an. The article a is placed before the noun or noun phrase, beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a tall boy, a European, a pride of lions, etc. It is used with a singular countable noun or noun phrase. On the other hand, an is placed at the beginning of noun or noun phrase, beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an artist, an honor, an amusing story. It is also used with letters that begin with a vowel sound. For example, C is an MA in English. You must add an L here. So in this letter MA and L, we used an because it begins with vowel sound. I think you are clear that we have to use an with the words which sounds vowel. That means first you have to know the correct pronunciation to use a or and. Okay, let's see more examples to be more clear. A cat, a dog, a boy, a house, a tree. In all of these words, you can see they start with consonant sound, not only with consonant letter. That's why a is used. In this next set of words, you can see they all start with a vowel sound. That's why an is used. Let's see some more examples. An elephant, a car, an onion, an interesting story, an omelette, a university, a European tour, an hour, an SLC student, a you. Among these all 10 words, I want to focus you from 6 to 10 because it's little tricky. In number 6, Number 6 is a university. We use a because even though university starts with a letter U, the first sound of the word is not a vowel sound. We don't say university, we say university. So that first sound is a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we say a university. Number 7 is similar. The word European starts with Y sound. Number 8, an hour. Hour starts with H. Even though hour starts with H, we use an over here because H becomes silent. We pronounce it as hour. That's why an is used. In number 9, SLC. SLC starts with vowel sound. That's why an is used. Number 10. Even the first letter of the word is vowel E, we use A. Why? Because we pronounce it as U. We do not pronounce it as EV. That's why A should be used. Out of the 3 articles, A and the, we have only one definite article, that is the. There are definite rules and regulations to use these articles. We need to understand these rules to minimize our errors while speaking and writing as well. So we have few rules where to use the. Let's see some of the rules. Rule number 1, universal objects. Before the universal objects, we have to use the. For example, the sun, the moon, the satellite. Number 2, musical instrument. Before musical instruments like guitar, flute, violin, we have to use the. Similarly, before sacred books or holy books, we have to use the. For example, the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana. Before ranges of mountains, we have to use the. For example, the Annapurna, the Himalayas. But make sure you have to use no article. We do not use article before the name of mountains. But before the ranges of mountains, we use article the. Number 5, islands. Before islands like short sea, Caribbean, we use the. Before the nationalities like British, Nepalese, we use the. 7 number, before oceans, sea, river, desert also we use the. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Dead Sea, the Karnali, the Nile, the Sahara. Number 8, before the ordinal numbers like first, second, third, we use the. Similarly, number 9, before superlatives, we have to use the. For example, the smallest, the tallest, the highest, etc. Number 10, direction. Before the name of 4 direction, we have to use the south, the east, the west, the north. Number 11, before the internal organs of the body, like the heart, the kidneys, we have to use the. 12 number, parts of the house. If you are talking about the parts of the house, like kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, then you need to use the. Before the time expressions like morning, afternoon, day before yesterday, summer, spring, we have to use the. But with the time expressions like yesterday, tomorrow, today, night, etc., we do not use articles. 14 number, we have to use the with the common name of countries like the United Kingdom, the United States of America. But before the name of country like Nepal, China, we do not use any article. 15 number, before precious stones like diamond, ruby, gems, we have to use the. Before the name of newspapers like Himalayan Times, Rising Nepal, we have to use the. Finally, in the second uses of word also, we have to use the. That means if you are introducing the same word for the second time, you have to use the. For example, once upon a time there was a cat. The cat was very hungry. See, in this first sentence, we use a before cat, but in the second sentence, we use the cat. I hope all of you are clear with this rules where to use the. Now, we came in the next topics, omission of articles. Omission of articles means where you should omit the articles, where we do not use articles. We have few rules. Some common types of nouns that do not take an articles are before the name of languages like Chinese, English, we do not use articles. Before the name of sports, before the name of academic subjects, we do not use articles. Sports like volleyball, hockey, baseball, football, we do not use articles. And academic subjects like mathematics, biology, history, computer science, we do not use articles. Before the name of meals like lunch, dinner, no articles. Before metals like gold, silver also, we do not use articles. Before the name of places, countries, we use no articles like Kathmandu, Kupandu, Lalitpur, Nepal, China, etc. Before the name of mountains like Mount Everest, Mount Annapurna, we use no articles. Before the proper noun, an abstract noun like Priya, Sita, Nightingale, Nightingale School, love, anger, we do not use articles. Okay, in this way we completed our course, our chapter. I hope all of you have understood well. Now you have few exercises which you have to do in the copy. I hope all of you will be doing it clearly. Thank you.